This is Carpinteria Beach, Monday, December 28th, a little after 5 p.m. And I just wanted to, it's been raining, had about, I think, 1.6 inches of rain so far, and it may be done. It may be done. So, less than 2 inches of rain, but still a really nice rain. And I just wanted to come down, and we got a little breeze coming from there offshore, light, very light breeze, but enough to cause the waves to, spray upward. And I think they call this Jelly Bowl, is it? I didn't get down to Rincon today, but I'll bet it was really, really nice, just like yesterday was nice. Big waves, probably overhead. Or maybe they call it tar pits. I don't know what they call them. There's Carpinteria Creek. The state park is closed. Very few people. Wow, I just noticed snow up in the mountains there. It was pretty cold. Carpinteria, they call it the world's safest beach. I'd say that's a lie unless you stay on the beach. Those must be almost 6 feet. I was going to cross this, I have boots on, but I have a feeling the water would go right up inside my boots. So I don't think I'll do it. All right. Happy New Year, everybody. Oh, oh, almost got me. Okay, so long.